Lately, I have been browsing for faceless YouTube channel ideas, and guess what? I came across these two AI channels that have gained a lot of popularity in a very short period of time, and they're earning thousands of dollars every month. Let me show you an example. This channel has achieved 89,000 subscribers in just 16 videos, and the estimated monthly earnings of this channel is up to $3,000, or take a look at this one. This one has achieved 120,000 subscribers, with an estimated monthly earnings almost close to $5,000. Let's check out one of their videos, so you can get to know what it's all about.
One of the great Stoic philosophers, Marcus Aurelius, advised us to start each day by contemplating the preciousness of life. He wrote,
I think, now you have the idea what we are talking about. You can clearly see how untapped this niche is, which means you can also start today and get your channel monetized in just 30 days. To make these types of videos, we need three things: scripts, AI-generated art of ancient Greek statues, and a deep voiceover,
like this one.
So, for scripts, we would be providing ChatGPT 2 prompts. For the first prompt, simply ask ChatGPT 2, provide me 5 facts about Stoicism. After the facts are generated, here comes the part for prompt number 2. You can copy this prompt from the description box below. For the second prompt, simply ask the chatbot that you would be giving bunch of information about Stoicism, and you want the chatbot to rewrite that information in the exact same style and layout as a reference text that you are going to give. You can also specify that the text should be about 1,500 words long. For the information part, simply copy-paste one of the facts about Stoicism we generated earlier. And for the reference part, simply go to one of their videos, copy their video link and paste it in the transcript website. From there, copy the entire transcript and paste it in the reference part. Don't worry, we are not copying their transcript, it's just for the reference so the chatbot can understand the writing style. You can clearly see on the screen, it has generated me an outstanding script in the way we want. For generating images, we would be using free AI tool called Leonardo AI. As we are making a YouTube video, the dimensions would be 16 by 9, and the model that we would be using is Dream Shaper version 7. For the prompt, I simply wrote, a stunning statue of a strong bearded man in ancient Stoicism Greek style, dressed in elegant clothing that falls gracefully over one shoulder. The statue should be detailed and finely crafted. I also specified, it should stand out against a dark background, creating a striking effect. The shot captures the whole statue from a wide perspective. Don't worry, you can copy this prompt also from the description box below. You can clearly see on the screen, the tool generated outstanding character, but there is one problem: the image that is generated is in low quality. So, to upscale the image, simply avail the HD Crisp Upscale option. It will take 5 credits, but trust me, it's worth it. For other pictures, just tweak the prompt a bit. For instance, add muscular body to the prompt, or instead of a wide shot at the end, go for a close-up shot or a standing shot with a side pose, or maybe even a sitting shot. You can play around with the prompt according to your choice. Once your images are generated, simply save them to your device. Now we have to get a voiceover for our script. For that, I would be using 11 Labs, an AI text-to-speech generator. You can access it from the link given in the description box below. Simply copy your script from ChatGPT and then paste it here in 11 Labs. Now you need to pick a deep voice that is similar to the channels I showed you earlier. For that, simply go in the settings drop down and choose a deep voice. After listening many voices, I have chosen Adam's voice, which I think is pretty much close to what we want. Once your voice is finalized, click on generate and your voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Once it's ready, simply download it and repeat the process for the rest of the script until all the voiceover is ready. Now, with all the assets ready, we need to make a video out of it. For that, we would be using a software called Capcut, a creative platform powered by AI that enables video editing and image design on browsers, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. First things first, import all the amazing pictures you created in Leonardo along with the voiceovers that were generated in 11 Labs. Then, drag all your imported pictures and the voiceover into the working bar. Keep the voiceover layer below the pictures layer for that seamless blend. I recommend you to set the display time for each picture up to 15 to 20 seconds long. Achieve this by individually clicking on each picture and extending its duration on the timeline to the required second time frame. This trick ensures that our viewers stay engaged throughout the entire video. Next, to add effects and create movement in the images, Begin by selecting the first image. Move the playhead to the start of the clip and click on Add Time Frame in the Position and Size area. Now, advance the playhead to the end of the clip, and in the Position and Size area, slightly increase the size. This will generate a gradual zoom effect throughout the duration of the clip. Now, we need to add captions to our video. For that, click on the Text tab, and then select Auto Captions. After that, hit Create, and in just a few moments, Capcut will analyze your voiceover and generate captions automatically. Now, let's make these captions visually appealing. Click on the Text tab again. From the Fonts drop-down, select your desired fonts. Here, you can adjust the font size, color, and style to your liking. Experiment with different fonts and sizes until you find the perfect fit for your video's aesthetic. To make the video more appealing, you can play around with the effects, transitions, and filter options also. The last step is to add a suitable background music. For that, simply go to Pixabay and download a royalty-free relaxing music. Once downloaded, import that file and add it in the lowest layer of working bar. Make sure to lower its volume so it doesn't sound annoying. And there you have it, a successfully generated Stoic video for your channel.
The wise philosophy of Stoicism shares valuable lessons that are still relevant today. Like the famous Stoic philosopher Epictetus suggested, we should be around people who lift us up. Let's explore the important 8 lessons of Stoicism in how we deal with others. Practice of mindfulness. Stoicism, rooted in ancient Greek philosophy, champions the cultivation of mindfulness and self-awareness. The Stoics, echoing the sentiments of contemporary mindfulness practices, advocate for observing one's thoughts and emotions without succumbing to their influence. This deliberate practice empowers individuals to respond to life's vicissitudes with rationality and equanimity rather than being swayed by impulsive reactions. Virtue is the highest good. At the core of Stoicism lies the profound notion that virtue is the highest good. In alignment with this principle, Stoics contend that external factors, such as wealth or reputation, are indifferent to one's moral standing. Virtue, encapsulating qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, becomes the compass guiding individuals toward a flourishing and fulfilled life. Endurance and resilience. In the face of adversity, Stoicism encourages the virtues of endurance and resilience. Stoics believe that challenges are inherent in life, and one's response to these challenges defines character. The philosophy urges individuals to develop inner strength, allowing them to withstand external trials and adversities with a sense of tranquility and peace of mind. Company of the wise. Epictetus, the revered Stoic philosopher, emphasized the significance of choosing companions wisely. Stoicism guides individuals to surround themselves with those who uplift and inspire, fostering an environment conducive to personal growth and the pursuit of virtue.
That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care, bye.